We've developed an integrated marketing campaign for Ryanair to be delivered by our agency, detailed in this deck but overviewed now in this video. We've looked at a full funnel approach utilising multiple channels to build off one another and drive both awareness and conversions for the brand, as well as build loyalty and advocacy. The creative theme that underpins our strategy is Connect with the World. Connecting people is a strong theme that can have multiple applications throughout our content, aiming to reach customers on an emotional level. Mobile first strategy is driven by the development of the Ryanair app to include uses such as sharing trips with friends, sharing timetables or delays, the use of augmented reality to share on social media, dream destination quizzes that we can use to retarget users later with the data, blog entries, and so on. We're using push and pull activities to get engaged with our target audience. It's always important to reach the customer at the right time with the right message within each phase. Programmatic will be a key infrastructure in our strategy, helping us find these key touch points at the right time across all channels, both online and offline, as well as allowing us to utilize more focused creative and content, weather data used to change dynamic creative, for example. So our strategy is to integrate content and messages in each channel throughout the customer journey. We've used the See, Think, Do, Care framework rather than looking at individual channels as separate entities. This allows us to put together a strategy that takes display, search, and social, and uses programmatic to make key decisions on when and where to reach a user. For each phase, we've outlined the user signals that identifies them as being at this stage, the targeting we can make use of to reach them, the messaging and the creative that we'll communicate this with, and finally, the KPIs we will use to measure success. So firstly, our C phase looks to capture audiences that may be interested in our product. We'll make the brand highly visible here using formats like gallery and inspirational ads in search to connect with the consumer. KPIs here will focus on brand metrics. At the think phase, people are researching our flights and showing interest. We can convince them here by showcasing our brand and possible flights, whether online or offline, where we could reach them in print, for example, next to travel tips or in brochures. Next, in the do phase, the customer shows readiness to convert. We convince them again by showing clear CTAs to book our flights, for example, including price extensions in our ads or using scarcity as a tactic with limited time offers. And then finally, after conversion, at the care phase, we keep the customer close and aim to create a brand connection and loyalty. Here we can look to retarget past flyers and offer loyalty bonuses, discounts, and gather feedback through reviews. We'll deliver this strategy through the use of innovation, collaboration, and digital technologies to drive relevance for the user at all stages. A client-central service team will ensure delivery across all channels and collaboration between all teams. Thanks for listening.